Hi guys, we're going to look at part 5 of our JavaScript tutorial, and this time we're going to learn how to use functions in JavaScript. A function is just a part of a code you can call anytime to make things easier for you whenever you want to call it, to repeat instead of repeating all the code all the time. You just call that function anyway. So while you do here a function, you need that keyword called function to start making a function. Then you space and what you do here, function. So you can name it any name you want to. You can say maybe this function is going to be called forest. It's fine if you want to do it like that. Then you put that, then you put curly, you close. So whatever you're gonna do in here, that's gonna be your function body. That's where you're gonna put the code. So this time we want to just do something simple. Whatever you can do maybe calculations or whatever. So since this is just an introduction to this, so you need to do something simple, and we can say forest, just something like that. But you can do calculations, whatever, any code you put in here, the function is gonna be any code is going to be representing your function. So we're done with that. So what we're going to do, we're going to call this function here. So because if let's test this, so we refresh the page, nothing happens because we did not call our function. So when you call it here, then you say okay, and when you refresh, it should show anyway. Maybe something is going on, something is going wrong here. Okay, function forest, then we call it the alert. No, I forgot to put T here. That's the only problem we had. So click here, you can see I am forest. So that's a function in JavaScript. I wonder if time can allow us to do something simple. I can do something like here. We say quickly, we say form. We can say here form. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, then do this and we end form here, form, and after form, then you can say input type button, input type equals to button. Then we're done with that. Then we can say value equals to me. So you go in here and say on click. Yes, we say that. So in here we call that function. So we're gonna call this function here. So we take it out of that. So whenever I click on that button, it should show us that. So go in there. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and you can ask some questions. So when you refresh here, when I click on that button, this happens. I click again, this happens. So yeah, that's what they call a function and how to use functions in JavaScript. But now we did put this function into, we call this function into our button. So whenever I click a button, something happens. Yeah, thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe guys.